Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 2.4 and let me share with you how to enable the grid lines on this device. So firstly, let's simply open the camera app, make sure that you're on the photo mode, and then let's enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Now we have to take a look at the general settings, and on the second position we've got grid. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and right now they are active, so we can go back. And as you can see, I hope that you can see it, here we've got the helper lines, the grid lines, so this is the best option to use if you'd like to apply the rule of thirds, or if you'd like to just take harmonious photos. So be aware that those grid lines are visible only on the camera app, because after taking a photo and checking the preview, we actually cannot see them. So as I said, they are visible only on the camera app. Of course, if you'd like to turn them off, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher like here, and as you can see, the camera is clear. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the grid lines in your Nokia 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.